Ooh. Ah. Wow. Downstairs bedroom. Wow. And a bath with shower walk-in right there. Oh, wow. Open concept. Look at that. Fireplace. View of the golf course. Ooh, a center island. Cabinets redone. New drawers. Wow. I love it. Indoor laundry with a sink. This is amazing. A nice kitchen eating area. Stainless steel appliances. Pantry. Wow. Patio, upper deck. 16th fairway, right on the golf course. Are you kidding me? Cobblestone walkway, storage shed. HVAC is only 3 years old. What? Mature landscaping. Always wanted a crepe myrtle tree. Wow, new fencing. A door to the downstairs bathroom. What? Amazing. Getting me right. A 3-car garage. Storage cabinets, upper storage. HVAC that's double strapped, ready to go. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? Remote control fireplace on cue. Amazing. You're kidding me. The grand flat screen TV conveys as well. Wow. Is this one of those? Oh my gosh, it is. I love it. These are my favorite things. Touchscreen, dual control. Amazing. Love it. There's the golfers. Oh, look at the stairs. They've just been redone. All new flooring. Custom banister. Cathedral ceilings. This is amazing. I love it. A bonus room. What? Main event here. Sconces. Look at that. There's that upper deck. Amazing. The main bathroom. Walk-in closet. Are you kidding me? Look at that. This is so cool. A big soaking tub, double vanity, walk-in shower, private commode. This is amazing. Hall linen closet, a bedroom. Okay, wait, are you kidding me? This is a huge closet. I love it. So the closet is not closed off, it connects. Look at that, amazing. And of course there's a restroom right here with a double sink. Beautiful tile, a window. Great. Oh wow. This could be an office or a bedroom with built-in drawers, trophy cabinet, mirrored closet doors. This is fantastic. Nice covered entry porch, fully landscaped, stamped concrete, custom steps for your guests to walk up, mature landscaping, beautiful street with beautiful homes. Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, yes. I'm ready to make it mine.